Hi everyone, I am SC Happily. I am doing a plant tour. Is this a plant tour? It's not a plant tour. This is a nursery tour of one of my favorite nurseries. My hair just got wet, so you will watch the video and see. Hi, there's Legend. He brought his trucks. We're hanging out, shopping for a new Japanese maple, I think. I don't know. Topiary. I think that's what I'm going to go for. But enjoy this tour. Subscribe. We're at my favorite nurseries. And I'm going, over there. But you all, wait until I do the tour on this place. It's just everything is so beautiful. And I like coming when they're watering everything. You all, this is addictive. You do not come here without a strict budget. Oh, look at this variety. Verdes. Woo! I just got wet. Okay, you all. I'm looking for an orange flame Japanese maple. And then Legend is just going to sit down. This is his favorite place. Okay, let me go over here. Alright, so you all, I got to step around. But I think they do have, I'm looking for an orange flame. This is a lion's head. This is the problem. Oh my gosh, I'm getting soaking wet. And of course, these are the 179 Alcer Palmettos, Japanese maples. Look at that weeping there. Which variety is this one? It doesn't have the name, but isn't it beautiful, everyone? I probably have to go over there in the water. That's not fair. Okay, let's see if I can cut through here. Oh, I'm going to get wet. Oh, the leaves are so wet. Oh my gosh. Oh, isn't that? Oh my God, isn't that so pretty? This is what I'm doing, you all, for coral bark. I have the coral barks, but 179 for this size coral barks. I have a larger size that I get from here. Okay, come on, Legend. My larger size I got for 129 from here when the pandemic first started, so I got a really good deal. They don't have the tree I'm looking for. Okay, look at everything, you all. I would go over there, but it's, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to show you all what I look like. Oh my gosh, I'm getting soaking wet. Isn't this so pretty? Oh gosh, now this is more beautiful. Here we go. Hope I don't spend too much money, but we gotta go up here and look at this up close and then work our way back. Look at everything, isn't it? It's the prettiest thing. It's beautiful nature. You all, vanilla strawberry, okay? Vanilla strawberry. Zone 8. Best for zone 8. Oh, and look at all of those beautiful beauties. Okay. Oh my gosh, you all. Okay. For real. That's a showstopper. Oh my gosh. Beautiful violet blooms. And Coral Nation. For all of the coral lovers, here's the coral nation. I'm in love with this variety. It's a little blurry. You all will see more of this place. Trust me. Oh, I love these two tone colors. La Simacha. Begonias. Just beautiful. Oh gosh, this is amazing. You like thinner leaves? Beautiful. Now that's a happy color. Happy colors. You all, I can go on and on. My favorite place. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful begonia. I think I love that begonia. I don't like the dark color begonias, but this begonia is amazing. If you all are like me and like light color begonias, that's the one. Okay, Legend is hiding. He doesn't want to be found. Legend, who are you hiding from? Whoa! He wants the rest of his trucks. He brings his trucks. Okay, you all. I think this is going to be enough for now. I need to grab a cart. I love Begonias. That color. Just love them. Let's go. And boom. Oh. For 170, 159. Isn't that the happiest arborvitae I've ever seen? Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Can I get inside that bloom? Let's see. There we go. Gave you a color for a little while. Wow. I can't get inside of that, but $200 for this topiary. Door. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the texture. Look at it. In love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Juniper Hetzy. That's beautiful. They don't have a price on it. Now that one might come home with me. I give you all come back again. Look at it. I'm liking that there. Boulevard. Cypress. My phone turned off because it's getting wet. But the water feels great. Okay. The water feels amazing. Oh, look at the bee loving. Wait, hold on, phone. There we go, there we go. Give us some perennials. Early spring through fall, part sun. Oh, look at the little tree looking perennial. It's cute. Little bloom. Oh, okay. My favorite, one of my favorite nurseries. You can find a variety, those geraniums. A variety of some of everything here. Oh, yes. Ground covers for all the ground cover lovers. Ficus. white ficus. Oh, for the yellow loving ones. Vinca. Oh, Vinca Legend. Don't go too far. The coral. The world's best reblooming azalea, Autumn Belle. Hi, Autumn Belle. It blooms in the spring, summer, and fall. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? Because we all know azaleas normally only give 2 bloom cycles. All right, this concludes where we started. It's a lot more, you all, but that's enough.